So, hello guys. Today I'm gonna explain to you how we caught our gold buy trade. So, be patient. You might learn something from this. So, number one, I only use 5 methods of trading. So there's the SNRC1, SNRC2, QM, QMC, and QMM. So I'm not gonna explain everything today, but for starters, we can start with the example of what we have here. We have the gold SNRC2 type of setup. So what is gold SNRC2? So gold SNRC2 is whenever you have a chart where there's resistance, this is in case of a buy setup, then it comes, forms a drop, breaks this high, forms a drop base, and then it goes up rally. So our setup, we take a buy from here. Okay, so boom boom boom, then goes. So, and we also have a confirmation, which is in the higher time frame. So this is H1. In the H4 it has to be rally, base rally. This is the level when in the lower time frame. So have we achieved all that? So if we go to line chart, you can see here clearly the resistance, the rally base rally, the drop base rally, and then the entry, and we have our trend line to confirm that. So, and then in the H4 you can see there is a form of something. It looks better in trading view, the rally base rally. So let's see, you want H4, you can see here, you can see the rally base rally clearly. Then H1, so yeah, this is the setup. We exited here, you exited here. And why did we exit? Because there was roadblock here. So let's see, in M30 you can see here there is a support, there is a drop based drop, and that is where the market it broke this area because it was lower time frame. So the market was to reach here, but to not be greedy, exited here on this roadblock. It went to another zone here where there was a QM setup. It came there, came back to this roadblock, and then now it went up. So I think to next week we'll have great opportunities with gold. I just have to stay around and watch what will happen next week. So that is it. Unless you have any questions, you can write down in the comment sections. Otherwise, if you like this video, if it was educative in any way, Kindly like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching.